The law of attraction is the law of the universe through which we are creating anything and everything in our life. Now, all of us are aware about there is gravity, the gravitational force of Earth that is pulling everything towards it, right? Same way, whether we call it the God, universe, higher power, supreme being, there is this higher energy. It has a system. It's a system through which we attract everything into our life: good, bad, happiness, sadness, success, failures, all the good people, all the bad people, all the good things, all the bad things. Everything is coming into our life, we are attracting. Now, to explain law of attraction, let me give you a little more insight on the core thing. Like anyone who has heard of
Yes.
law of attraction, they've heard of the term manifestation. So, what is manifestation? Manifestation is the process of turning any thoughts or a dream or a goals into reality. So, when we have a dream or a goal of having a car, having a house, having the life partner, having money, good job, success, good health, wealth, anything, it all starts with a thought. And when we have it in our life, we have manifested it. Now, how do we manifest it? What helps us manifesting it? That system is the law of attraction. It's like the operating system of the universe that is working
Right.
all the time. Like the way we have an operating system in our laptop, in our smartphone, and which is working all the time. Same way, the law of attraction is the law of the universe, which is working all the time. And how we are using it? We are using it through our thoughts, through our feelings, through our actions. We are attracting everything into our life. So that is the law of attraction that is working all the time for everyone. So the number one misconception about law of attraction is people think that just because you got to know about the law of attraction and just because you have one thought, you can manifest it. And that's where people either misjudge it or discard it. Like many people, when they got to know about the law of attraction, they have this absolute thinking that, okay, it means if I think of anything, I can manifest. And then they start thinking about something and the manifestation don't happen. And then they say, oh, the law of attraction is not working. So,
Right.
one thing that is the biggest misconception, the first thing we have to understand is only when we have a consistent thought which turns into feelings and which gives some vibration and energy, if we keep adding vibration and energy in the universe consistently, then only the manifestation happen. The manifestation, if the manifestation start happening instantly with every thought, then our life will become miserable because so many people are filled with anger, frustration, and so many confusing things, and everything get manifested, then it
Right.
will be a problem.
Right.
So the law of attraction is has a way of building an alignment and momentum towards any thoughts to get manifested. So number one misconception is this, that just because I know of law of attraction, it should work. If it's not working, it's not working. The second biggest misconception is people think that rather than start using it in a smaller way to see how it's working, they try to apply it on the most complicated problem in their life from the beginning.
Mm.
Because I have been teaching law of attraction for a very, very long time, I always ask the beginner that start small. Start
Mm.
manifesting small, small things so that you'll know how the manifestation is working, how it works when you don't have any resistance, don't have any blockages. And that's why even on our YouTube channel, Awesome Is, I've given a lot of experiment to newbies, like people who are new
Mm.
to law of attraction. Come, try this experiment, see how it's working, get a test of it, and then start building on that process. So that's another big misconception, that the moment they get to know this thing that, oh, if it's working, can I be a billionaire? Can I be a multimillionaire? Can I have the best partner without doing anything? So all of a sudden, can I come out of cancer all of a sudden? So rather than understanding it, rather than applying it as a lifestyle, because law of attraction is always working, the moment we get to know it, the important thing, like any spiritual processes, we have to ingrain it in our life and make it our day-to-day practice, so that we can start seeing the transformation happening, manifestation happening. And as we keep practicing it, as we keep applying it, after a certain time the manifestation start happening so fast, then even people feel like it's magic, it's miracle. so so that's the magical part. Like build up on that energy. So many people, they just want to manifest it so quickly, right? And here I want to say, when you give the example of the hard work, like the opposite side of the story is like you have to study a lot, you have to work hard, then only become successful. And on the other extreme, it is people who get to know about law of attraction. They say like, oh, I don't have to do anything and it will get automatically manifest. If it's not manifesting, it's not working. And another big misconception here is many people think that just because they know law of attraction and just because they are desiring something, it will manifest even if rest of the time they are thinking something negative, opposite. Like many people, they think that they should be happy, their life should be great, but rest of the day they are either stressful, they are either comparing themselves with other people, they are criticizing other people, they are complaining about a lot of things, and they think that the universe will reward them with happiness or positivity or success. So they forget that we have to continuously refine our vibration, we have to align our action, we have to align our emotions, so that everything will start getting aligned in a joyful way, and then more and more things will start unfolding in our life.